Hey guys, it's me, Dave again, and this is...
I'm Prathith.
What grade are you in?
I'm in 4th grade, I'm 9, and I paused my game to be here.
Well, what do you like to do?
I like to probably game and read some books, mainly like Greek mythology.
Oh, nice. Like Percy Jackson?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so today, as you guys know, I went to Japan, and one of the things Japan is mainly known for is its exotic flavored snacks. So, for example, in the US, the Kit Kat, it only has like 2 or 3 flavors, right? In Japan, it has about 30 flavors, and there are ones that are even exotic in Japan, and there are 30 like regular flavors. So, that's just one example, and Japan has all these different kind of snacks. So we're going to be sampling them and testing them, and we're going to be saying if it's a snack or a yak. So we're going to be sampling them, okay? So to start off, let's start in the front row. We've got the Japanese energy bar. Can you zoom in on this, editor, please? And we'll show you like the Google Translate of what it says like on the wrapper and the back and everything. So let's start it. All right, so there you go, one piece. I'll take the other half. Okay, but first let's smell it. First, it looks like pretty nice. Smell looks
like a little bit of white chocolate.
Yeah, look at this. It looks nice. It's like has like a gritty stuff in it. Looks pretty nice. I think it's like white chocolate, vanilla. Yeah.
I think it smells like white chocolate.
Yeah, it smells like a mixture of white chocolate and vanilla.
There's definitely I think there's some fruit in there.
Yeah. Okay, down the hatch. 3, 2, 1. It's got that crunchy texture, fruitiness, and chocolate coating on the outside. Yo, this thing is fire.
It's way better than fire.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah. All right, guys.
This is definitely
this is a snack, right? This is just too good. It's like here in America, the energy bars, they take like energy bars. This tastes like a Snickers. It is like so good.
The energy bars, they're kind of, I don't like them.
Yeah,
they taste bad.
Right, yeah. All right, guys, on to the next snack.
Let's try the Snickers bar.
Yeah, the Snickers, yeah. What does this look like? It's mostly just written in Japanese, the flavor and everything. What does it look like?
I think it's an oatmeal.
Yeah, I think it's an oatmeal flavor. Yeah, so oatmeal flavored Snickers. Let's see how this tastes. Okay, before we even go into this, you know one thing we noticed here? All the bars come in 2 pieces. Like, it's made in 2 pieces in each package, right? You noticed that, right? It's pretty cool.
In America, it's always just like one.
Yeah. I think the Japanese understand you can't just have a whole bar at once like a big bag. You gotta split it. Anyway, all right, let's... Smells like regular Snickers.
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Very chewy, right?
Yeah, chewy. Very, very chewy.
You think that's dark chocolate or milk chocolate?
I think it's dark.
Yeah, I think it's dark. But it's still pretty good. It's really fudgy.
Yeah. It's also really, really chewy.
It's like so hard to chew, but it's like the texture is really nice. I don't taste any oat in there.
Yeah, I don't really taste much caramel too.
Yeah.
I feel like the American version is better.
And this one, like, instead of having, like, clear layers, it's just full of a mixture. It's kind of different.
I like the American version a little better. I feel like it's in the middle.
Yeah. Right. 2, 1. We'll say it in 3, 2, 1. Snack!
This was really good.
Yeah, snack. Wait a second.
This is grape flavored gum from Japan. As you can see, it has a grape on the front. It's all in Japan though. And did you know that all gums and mints, the main flavor is grape?
Like all the locals like it. Yeah. Right?
Okay, let's try it.
Mm-hmm. All right. So
Let's try it.
yeah. Right. Thanks. Let's put that there. All right. We're
Japanese grape flavored gum.
Yep. Oh. Dang. Okay, it's going down. Wait, why is it hard like this? It's like a hard shell. It's not even like American gum. It's like a hard shell. It's more like a hard candy, okay? Yeah, let's...
Smell it. Oh, wait, no.
Yeah, it smells like grape. I smelled it, yeah.
It smells great.
Mmm.
Like really chewy.
Yeah.
The soft and the inside and the crunchy outside really mixes together. Like it's a great combination.
Yeah, and it's like powdery. Like once it powders up, it like dissolves, and like the gum in the U.S. like you just taste it, but like this gum, it actually has like something to consume. Oh, another thing we noticed is like it's like a really small quantity, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna try blowing a bubble in it, okay? So it'll be BRB. Yeah. All right. So
I did not like it.
yeah, it wasn't that bad. I mean, when you're chewing it, it's nice, like the powdery powder and stuff. But like after you chew it, it's like the aftertaste.
Aftertaste.
But oh, by the way, we tested the bubble theory. I put 3 in. It's still not enough. It's so little. The hard candy is most of it, and like, it's just too crumby to do it. So we'll say it at once. 3, 2, 1. Yak! All right. So next up, we're trying the
Almond Crunch Pocky.
And it's like really different style.
Yeah, the packaging's really different.
And apparently it's from like TikTok or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the back. The back is also kind of different too.
It's like Welcome to Pocky or something.
I know.
I think it's like a game. I don't know.
Maybe.
Yeah, there's a QR code. Anyway, let's open it up.
Every packaging has 2.
Again. And look at this. It's pretty nice packaging. Like, look at this, guys. Like,
It's so fancy.
yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Let's try it. Okay, bro.
You can see like the little almond bits like coming out.
Yeah, this is like so fancy. I wish you guys had snacks like these.
I know, right?
Yeah. All right. 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
The chocolate tastes like Nutella.
It tastes so good. Like
It's like Nutella. It's like, bro.
the almond tastes so good.
This is so much better than real Pocky, bro. Yeah. We'll say it. 3, 2, 1. Snack. That was pretty good.
Now.
All right, we're the moment we've all been waiting for. Which one?
Of course,
This
the
one.
Mount
Fuji Blueberry Cheesecake Kit Kat. It looks white and blue on the package. Let's see if it's actually like that. Hopefully it is. That would be pretty sick.
I can't wait to eat it.
Oh, and look, 2 in each pack again. All right, we're gonna open them.
Okay. Please.
Yo! Wait. Can you unpause it? Oh my god. Yo, look. It actually is white and blue. Look, let me show you guys. It's actually white and blue. Like, it's not even like just on the cover. Look at this. It's literally white and blue. That's sick, yo.
So cool.
Yeah.
Okay, now in a moment.
It looks cool. Let's see how it tastes. 2 again.
The inside.
Yeah. Right. And a 3 and a 2 and a 1. I don't know why that tastes familiar. That tastes so familiar.
I know, right?
But that's really good. That's fire. That is
Not
fire.
just strong blueberry, but also chocolate.
It's really good. It's really good. All right. We'll say it in 3, 2, 1.
Snack.
Snack.
Orange Kit Kat.
Orange and chocolate. Yeah.
That sounds super weird.
I think I've heard that flavor before, but never for Kit Kat. Let's open it.
Oh,
So, 3, 2, 1. And it's packaged again. And what did we notice?
it comes in twos.
Again. So, I think it's like a Japanese tradition.
Yeah.
Wait, what color is it?
It's just
Oh,
regular.
it's brown. It's
I think in the
But,
inside.
yeah, I think in the inside. Yeah, I think in the inside will be orange.
Should we smell it?
Wait, I don't know if we want to do that. Okay, we're gonna smell it. That's okay. Yeah,
That's
that smells like orange chocolate. That actually reminds me. I think I remember at the mall we went to like this shop and it had like chocolates and it had one of the flavors was like orange chocolate and my dad loves those. And okay,
Let's try.
Yeah, let's try. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, nothing special on the inside.
Yeah, nothing special on the inside, but it's still kind of. I was expecting milk chocolate, but it's mid. It's mid. It's not like this is what I want every day for snack, but it's not like either. It's like it's mid. It's mid.
I would say it's like between.
Yeah.
Wait, I thought we were gonna cut it.
Go.
This is definitely a
Snack. And the aftertaste is like really citrusy, which is pretty nice.
You can definitely tell the orange flavor.
Yeah. And you can smell it.
Yeah. It's not like that artificial either, which is usually what's like in America.
Oh my god, it melted on my fingers. All right, we're gonna take a break from the Kit Kat. Now we're gonna try one of a kind. I wouldn't say it's really a snack, but it is something Japanese. So it's like this tablet, and I think if you put it in water, it turns into a drink. I think it's called Asahi.
It says like milk.
Mintia Breeze. Yeah. All right, we'll see you with the glasses of water. Okay, so we opened it, we got our glasses of water. So to open it actually, it's kind of like icebreakers, I'd say, right? Yeah, there's like a tab right here, I think. Yeah. You pull it, like the tab comes out. Here, take one. Here.
I'm supposed to like shake it out.
Yeah. Here, so take it. So it has an M for Mintia. All right, put it in the water. Here. All right. 3, 2, 1. So it's in the water.
To stir
It's
it?
not like fizzing or anything. I think you're supposed to mix it. Or I think you're supposed to break it with the spoon.
Maybe.
So we've been stirring for like a couple of minutes now.
Yeah.
We thought it would like fizz or something because like on the packaging it shows it in the water. And like we didn't know what it was, but like the cashier in Japan, she told us like you're supposed to put it in the water. But nothing is happening. We've been stirring for like a couple of minutes.
The flavor's kind of coming out.
Yeah, kind of. But let's just try putting it in our mouth, okay? 3, 2, 1. That's pretty good.
It's not for water.
It tastes like one of those supplements my dad gives me. That's like orange flavored.
Oh.
I thought it would be mint flavored. It literally says minty on it.
This is not
It
minty.
tastes like orange.
I
Wait,
know.
let's try the dissolved water. I'm just gonna try it. Or maybe you're supposed to drink water with it in your mouth and chew on it.
Try breaking it with your teeth.
No, I don't think you're supposed to have it with water. I don't know why it shows water on the cover.
No.
But without the water, it's just good. Let's just have it. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So, I mean, it's kind of good, but it's really confusing.
Yeah.
And like, it's nothing big. It's just like a mint. So we're gonna say yak.
I mean, like, if we could read Japanese, then we could probably figure it out, but, like...
Yeah. It's nothing big. So, accidental discovery. We were just putting this away, And I took a sip from this, and then I realized something. It doesn't taste like anything, but the water tastes like really refreshing. So I think what you're supposed to do is, I think it's supposed to, like, when you go to school, I think you're just supposed to put one of these in your water bottle, and like it keeps like the water tasting fresh, so that in the day, like, it doesn't really dissolve that fast, but it still tastes fresh.
It's like cold and kind of
Yeah,
a little
kind of minty,
flavor.
kind of. Yeah. So yeah.
This is the Tokyo banana.
So it's like a little pastry thing, kind of, I think, and it's like Do I have a picture? No, we're gonna have to find out. Yeah. But I think I've seen it before. It's like I saw it. It was like it's like supposed to like mimic a banana. So it's like a mochi kind of. I think it's a mochi. Wait. First. Wait.
It's alright.
Just say it. Just say it. Just say it.
I feel like it's not mochi.
Really?
Yeah.
I think it's mochi because I've seen it before. It's like a doughy outside, and then like in the inside it has like a filling, creamy kind of thing. So I'm pretty sure it's kind of like a mochi. Maybe not like what? Yo, it's so soft. It's so soft. It's like, this should be a stress ball.
I know.
Okay, let's see how it tastes.
If anyone knows how to read Japanese, please.
Much packaging, bro. It's like. This is like third packaging. It comes in like its little thing. And
it's really, really, really soft.
Yeah, it's like so soft it actually feels good. And I'm gonna look at it close up. It's so soft.
This might be like bread on top.
It smells like bread. It smells like bread. Yeah. Okay. 3 and a 2 and 1. It's like a pudding. It's like a pudding inside. It's like a pudding. It's a banana flavored pudding.
Like banana?
Oh my god, that actually tastes so much like banana.
Yeah, I had banana bread.
It's actually kind of good. Wait, they should be called banana bread. This is what should be called banana bread.
It's really just banana bread.
Yeah, exactly. It's a banana bread. Okay, that's actually good. All right, I'll say it. But I think we disagree on this one, so you say it first.
Snack.
Okay, yeah, snack, yeah. It's good. I thought you would say it's a yak, but yeah.
Next stop is matcha Oreos.
Yeah, pretty solid. Yeah.
I don't think it's Oreos. It's like Noe or something.
Yeah. You guessed it. Okay, well. 2 packs again. Well, I think this time the US would do that too.
Yeah.
But still, 2. It's 2, not 3, not 4. Ah! Okay, here.
It's recording.
You didn't see that. You didn't see that. I was doing my main Fortnite emo. Okay. So we got matcha Oreos. Oh, why does it smell like that? Yo, what stuff do they put in here?
I don't even know.
Okay, don't even get me started on that. Okay, let's just wait, I'm gonna lick the cream. Okay, we're gonna be biting that? Okay, I'm scared.
Let's try.
Okay, let's just get it over. Okay, 3, 2, 1. We can immediately say yak. You're keeping it.
No, you're keeping it.
No.
I don't want this smell infesting my house.
No gifts. No gifts.
No, please, it's yours.
Take the wrapper. I didn't even want
You bought it.
Get out. Oh, it's recording. Oh. Okay. Oh, that tasted. Yeah. That was nasty. Let's just do some good stuff now.
Yes.
Oh, sugar glazed strawberry.
Yeah,
This would be perfect to get it over.
Wait, this might be like.
Oh, look at this, guys. It's nicely packaged. It's like a cardboard box, has a golden sticker. I don't know. I'm rambling. Oh no. I think I've seen this. I was in this. So when I was in Japan, we were like in this bazaar, and he was selling like this mochi, okay? And I thought it would have ice cream in it, like the my mochis we get here in the U.S. I thought it would be like that because I love mochis, and I wanted to try the real Japanese mochi. When I bit into it, there was like this brown stuff inside, and I was like, oh, it's chocolate, and then I'm like, I realized, can you guys guess what was inside it? Bean paste. Bean paste. So it looked exactly like this. I really hope this is not bean paste.
It's really popular in Japan.
No dibs on it. Okay. You're getting it if we don't like it.
Don't say something because it's really calm down.
Oh my god, this tastes. Oh, I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Okay, I'm scared. Oh, and you guys, you guessed it. 2 rows.
Powdered sugar.
I think it's cornstarch.
Darn it.
That's what they have in the mochi these days. Ooh, it's not mochi. It's not mochi. Phew. It's like this squishy thing. Okay, let's not get our hopes up. At least I don't think it's mochi. Look at this. It's like a really powdery, like cornstarch, like we have mochi here. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Good strawberries.
Well, as soon as you bite it, it's kind of nice. It's mid now.
Yeah.
I mean, the texture is still nice, right? It's like a
100%, yeah.
Yeah, it's like a really nice texture.
Chewy.
Yeah.
Okay, is a snacker yak.
Yeah.
1, 2,
3. Yeah.
Snack. Oh, wait, what?
Well, it's good, but like if you have it like every day, I don't think I would like it.
Yeah.
It's okay to have it as like a delicacy. Okay, what's your opinion? Why do you think it's a snack?
I think it's a snack.
I
think it's a snack.
Why? Like, what do you like about it so much?
The texture is amazing.
Yeah. All right, you can keep it. No gives.
I'll take it.
Bet. All right. Next, this lonely little one, popcorn. Pop can. I think that's a lolly. Well, we'll see. We'll see.
Yeah. Hopefully Donald Duck won't. Hopefully Donald Duck doesn't let us down.
Oh, for a second I thought you said Donald Trump. Okay. Why is it blue? I don't think it's working. Okay. Well, I'll just.
Oh, it's Mickey Mouse.
Oh, that was easier than I thought. Okay. I'll keep this. Oh, there's a yellow flavor and orange flavor.
Oh. Okay. Let's try the yellow first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here.
I got it.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Well, we'll each try a piece from there. Okay. Which one do you want?
I'll just take the. Yeah, I'm done with orange for today.
Okay. All right. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I think it's banana. I don't like it. It's not even banana or just the flavor of the banana paste.
I don't like that. I don't like that. Okay, let me try the yellow side. You try the orange side. You try the orange side.
Okay.
That didn't work. You're rolling.
It's on.
Oh! You didn't see that. You didn't see that. Okay. Yeah. That. Okay.
So,
yeah. That was definitely a yak.
Yeah.
Yak. That was no.
Not for me.
No. Next, we've got our banana flavored Kit Kat. For once, it's not completely split in half, as shown in the wrapping here. And yeah. Pretty cool.
This looks so
pretty
cool.
fancy packaging. Oh, wait, this is related to that really good Tokyo banana we had before. Good? Okay. Oh, and 2 rows again. But at least the chocolate itself hasn't been split in half.
I'm scared.
I'm Enthused because we're gonna have to be trying this later on, so I think I'd rather have this.
Yeah, I don't know.
Another Kit Kat. Kit Kat's going strong.
At least you can try this.
Yeah. Honestly, in my opinion, I think Kit Kat's going strong.
Oh yeah, Kit Kat is going great, but we didn't. I'm kind of excited to try this. You know.
Yeah, I'm not sure about this one though. I think it would. Yeah, I'm really hesitant.
Oh wow! Wait, look at the look. Look. Look at this.
It's pretty nice. It has a Tokyo banana brand on it. So we're gonna try it. Oh. So yeah, it's like this. There's a Tokyo banana symbol on it. Yeah. Oh, guys, I've heard that biting into a Kit Kat disturbs people. Like it's like a mind trick whenever someone like bites into a Kit Kat like this. Like it just like hurts the mind of some people. Let's see if that works. Write it down in the comments below if it disturbs your mind. All right, 3, 2, 1. I don't know why that tastes familiar. It tastes like one of those like shakes you make, like, and it's like it tastes like you just took like banana and chocolate and blended together. It should literally be called like that. Yeah.
I don't like that much.
I mean, it's not bad, but it's not.
Yeah.
Bad. Yeah.
Okay. So.
All right.
1,
2, 3.
3.
Yeah.
Yeah. Snack. I would say like in the middle, actually.
In the middle, but like I wouldn't have it every day, so yeah.
Yeah.
All right. All right. So we have this thing here, and then if you open it, the special thing about these cookies actually is that on each cookie, it has a different landmark on Japan engraved into the cookie, and it even has like colors. So which one do you want, Prathith? I'll take this one. I'll take this one. I've seen this before. I don't know what it's called. I thought it was like a Chinese thing. I don't know.
I'm gonna try this one.
Which one? Nice. Wait, I've seen that before. When we were driving by in a taxi, I've seen that bridge, I think. Right? Yeah, it's so cool. Wait, we saw...
It's rolling.
Oh, not again! You didn't see that. Okay. Oh, we have to try this. Okay.
Wait.
So, and actually, we had one of these in the flight, but it didn't have the landmark. But I think it's like a Japanese biscuit, like, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's like a Japanese
In the
biscuit.
middle, there's like a cream. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's like a custard cream. It's
Yeah.
like, yeah.
I like an Oreo, you know.
3, 2, 1.
Hmm.
Very soft, very creamy. The biscuit is like, it melts in your mouth. There you go. All right, we'll say it in 3, 2, 1. Snack.
Yeah, that's good.
That's pretty good. Oh. Hey. Stop hitting the Greek. Oh,
It's rolling.
Oh no.
Oh, you didn't see that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Let's have a tea party.
Let's have a tea party. So I think it's a milk tea flavored Kit Kat. I'm not that excited.
These are like golden.
Let's just get it over.
Ooh,
At least I don't have to eat this right now. I'm actually terrified to try this.
The matcha Oreo. It says there's something inside of it, but we can't really see what that means. Yeah. Okay. So let's open it.
Yeah. Ooh, there are many different colors. Like, there's a purple, there's a green, there's a blue. Yeah,
I wonder if they taste different.
This flavor. We got a lot of different flavors. But they're all milk tea, but like they're different colors.
Yeah.
I want to try this one.
It's a white.
Oh, two again.
Oh. Okay, let's try it. 3,
Ooh, it smells nice.
2, 3,
3,
2,
what?
1.
It's good.
Confusing.
It's okay. It doesn't really taste like tea.
Yeah. No. I think the caffeine.
It has like a light tea-ish thing, but yeah.
Yeah.
I'm calling yak.
Yeah.
Yeah, yak. And you guessed it.
2.
Bro, 2!
Good. Let's try.
It's matcha Pocky, the one we've been scared of. Bro, I'm actually terrified. After those matcha Oreos.
Try these.
Ooh,
And now just
scared.
this plain stick with matcha.
And after all the snacks, I'm actually getting sugar high. Right?
I can't.
I'm not gonna sleep tonight. All right, I'm scared. Let's just get it over with. 3, 2, 1. Oh! 3, 2, 1. Yak. I'm sorry, yak.
இருந்தது எது இன்டர்மீடியேட்டா இருந்தது
Okay, overall.
All right, guys. Yeah, that was a lot of snacks. That was really fun testing all the snacks.
Yeah.
Yo, this kid, snacks is his world, man. Like, he doesn't like anything other than snacks.
Hey, that's not true.
Except dinosaurs.
No.
Okay. Yeah. Well, he just loves snacks. Okay.
Yeah.
Not that he's a big back or anything, but yeah. He just likes big and snacks. Nothing big. But yeah, that was like really fun. And there are a lot of those flavors like they're really new.
The matcha. I didn't like the matcha at all.
But what did you like?
I mean, I would say the Kit Kats. The Kit Kats.
Yeah,
were
the
good.
Kit Kats are really good.
The energy bar was really, really good.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, the energy bar is my all-time favorite too. All right, Prathith, thanks for joining. I'll see you on another video, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks
All right,
for letting me
thanks.
try those snacks.
All right. See ya. Get this video to 200 likes, and we'll build mystery snacks out of mystery items generated from the mystery wheel. And we'll have to make our snack improvise with the ingredients we get. Get this video to 200 likes. All right, guys? See ya. And be the GOAT!